In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Drive zip file. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to get into a zip file from your Google Drive, whether you want to download it to your device or open it right inside Drive. A zip file is just a compressed folder that bundles files together to save space and make sharing easier. So we'll quickly unpack it and get you to the contents. First up is the easiest method, download and open. Start by opening Google Drive, either in your web browser or the Drive app. Locate the file with the zip extension. On a computer, right-click the file. On a phone, tap the three dots menu. Choose Download. Drive will prepare the file and start the download. When it finishes, head to your device's default downloads location. On Windows, that's the Downloads folder. On a phone, check the Files or Downloads app. To open the contents, right-click the zip and choose Extract All on Windows, or simply double-click the zip and then select Extract when prompted. Once extraction is complete, you'll see a regular folder with the unzipped files inside, ready to open and use like any other files. As a quick note, when you download a folder or multiple files from Drive, Google automatically compresses them into a zip to speed things up and keep everything together. If you'd rather not download anything to your device, you can open a zip directly inside Google Drive using an online tool. Open Google Drive in the Chrome browser, find your zip file, and right-click it. Choose Open With, then select Zip Extractor. The first time you use it, you'll be asked to authorize. This gives the tool permission to read the zip and create a new folder with the extracted files in your drive. After authorizing, click Extract. When it's done, you'll see a new folder in the same location as your zip, and you can open those files within Drive without storing them on your computer or phone. Tools like Zip Extractor make it simple to access and extract zip files straight from the cloud. A few quick tips to wrap up. If the file is large, the online extraction method can be slower, so downloading first may be faster. And if you run into an error or the zip seems corrupted, try re-downloading it from Drive and extracting again. With these two approaches, you can handle almost any zip file you encounter in Google Drive.